Okay, in this video, we are trying to solve some problem about growth and decay, which is one of the application of differential equation. First, let us write muna yung ating working equation or our general solution for the growth and decay. Okay, so explain ko lang ito. X is equals to C e raised to kt, whereas X is the quantity of substance present at any time, and t is our time, and for our k is the proportionality constant. So here is the problem. Sorry. Radium decomposes in air at the rate proportional to the present amount. If initially there are 20 grams and after 10 years 0.6% of the original amount decompose. Okay. Let's answer the A. Set a model that will predict the amount of radium at any time t. And for B, what is the half-life of radium? When will the radium be half-life? And C, what is the amount remaining in 900 years? So, in this video, ituturo ko yung kung paano tayo gumagamit ng Caltech sa pagsosolve ng growth and decay. And i-check din natin kung masasatisfy ba yung ating magiging sagot sa manual procedure. Okay, let's try. Let's write first our given. Sinasabi dito, initially meron tayong 20 grams and after 10 years 0.6% of the original amount ay madedecompose. So, dito sa A natin, sinasabi na, set a model that will predict the amount of radium at any time t. Ang ibig sabihin nito, gagawa tayo ng equation na para masatisfy natin itong buong problem. At ang magiging format ng ating equation ay ang general solution. So, gagawa tayo ng table dito. X and Y, which is ang X natin ay yung time. And yung Y naman natin, ito yung amount of substance. So, initially, hindi talaga binabanggit commonly sa mga problem yung initial time. So, palagi mag-a-assume tayo na ito ay 0. Because yun yung ating initial time. 0 and sasabi dito na 20 grams. And after 10 years, mag-decompose yung original amount to 0.6. So, paano natin siya isusulat? 20 minus 20 times 0.006. That is the 0.6%. Okay. Ilabas natin ang ating calculator. Una, pipindutin natin itong mode 3. So, mode 3, 5. Mode So, lahat ng input natin dito ay isusulat natin sa ating calculator. 0, 10, so dito, 20 minus 20, 0.006. So, magiging value na ng ating y dito is 19.88. Ayan. So, to save this data, let's click the AC. So, let's write our working equation. Next. So, para mahanap natin itong C, pindutin natin sa calc yung shift 1, 5, and shift 1, 5, 1. Ito yung A. So, press equal 20. Ito yung ating C. And para naman mahanap natin yung proportionality constant, click the shift 1, 5, 1, 5, 2. Ito yung ating B. Ang naging value ng ating K is negative 6.018 times 10 raised to 4. So, para mas-save natin to, shift to A, B na lang. So, ayan. Balik tayo sa ang gagawin na natin dito is isusulat na natin yung ating nabuong equation, which is 20 e raised to negative 6.018 times 10 raised to negative 4 times t. So, let's check kung nasatisfy ba natin yung sagot natin. And yes, ayan. Parehas lang sila. Okay, pangalawa naman. What is the half-life of radium? When will the radium be half? So, kailan magiging half-life yung ating radium? So, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is yung quantity of substance present at any time. So, itong value ng x natin, kailan siya magiging half-life. So, madali lang naman. From the initial amount, i-divide lang natin siya into 2, which is 10 grams. 10 grams. So, kailan? Sulat lang natin dito sa ating calculator. 10. Dito, gagamit na lang tayo ng shift solve. So, alpha calc for equal sign, and sulat natin alpha e raised to saan ko ba yun? Alpha x. So, shift solve. So, yung t natin dito, pinalitan natin ng x because we are trying to solve for x. And, ayan. So, let's press the shift solve. Ayan. Check muna natin kung yung value ba ng b talaga natin ay parehas. Ayan, tama naman. So, equals pinutin mo natin yung 9 tama. So ang lumabas na value ng ating time when will the radium be half-life is 1151.77 years. Let's check if nag-satisfy yung ating sagot. Ayan, same lang sila. Ito using Caltech method. Ayan. And next for final. Okay, so ayan, may sagot na. What is the amount remaining in 900 years? Ilang amount na lang yung matitira sa 900 years. So, isosolve natin dito is yung x. Sorry, hindi pala. So, x. So, dito, papalitan lang natin to ng 900. At 900 years. Okay. So, ang sagot natin is 11.636 grams. Ayan. Let's see. Ayan, na-satisfy naman natin. And that's it for our video for today.